Hello everybody, my name is Shay here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the auto clicker on Hamster combat game. So first things first, we need to go to our settings and we need to go to accessibility. We need to go to touch. we need to go to switch control. Then we need to go on switches. You need to add a switch. Then you need to go on full screen and go on default and click tap. And you need to enable it. After we've done that, we need to go to recipes. I've already added the recipe, but I'll delete it and create another one again. We need to go and create recipe. We need to put the name anything you'd like. So for example, touch. Then after that, we need to assign a switch, full screen, and we need to put custom gesture. Then we need to click in the middle. After that, you can click save. Come out of here, launch recipe, touch, come out. And after we've done that, you can put our loops on 4. You can put it on 5. And after that, you can come back to Hamster Combat. You can click the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can go on switch control and you can click it once. And if you keep clicking, yeah, now I'm not clicking anymore and you can see it's forming the coins. Now you can just sit here, and if it stops, you can just keep clicking, or you can increase the loops. So now I'm not clicking anymore, and you can see it's still going. It's still going. I'm still not touching it. This is the video. I hope you guys have a great day, and subscribe and like for more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye.